HMD's latest device is an in-between tweener or a hybrid as the makers put it, not quite a smartphone but smarter than a feature phone. The HMD Touch 4G is a reincarnation of the Nokia Asher series, giving some smart features through cloud-hosted browser. HMD Touch 4G is exclusive for the Indian market, runs a custom lightweight real-time operating system known as RTOS Touch. Users can use the cloud phone services which allows them to access the browser apps. Touch 4G also comes pre-installed with the Express Chat app which supports text, voice, image messaging. Touch 4G will also chat with Android and iOS users provided they have the app installed. In terms of specs, it brings a 3.2-inch LCD with QVGA resolution, 0.3 megapixel front-facing camera, and 2 megapixel rear camera with LED flash. It's equipped with Unisoc T127 chipset and 64 MB RAM. You get 128 GB or 128 MB of internal storage, but you can expand it up to 32 GB via microSD card slot. It has 1950 mAh battery, charges by USB Type-C, IP52 ingress protection, 3.5 headphone jack as well as FM radio receiver, Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi 802.11n for connectivity. It serves as a mobile phone hotspot as well. It comes in cyan and dark blue colors, priced at $45 or 4,000 rupees with device available from HMD India ready to ship.